I really don't know why it is that all of us are so committed to the sea, except I think it's because, in addition to the fact that the sea changes, and the light changes, and ships change, it's because we all came from the sea. And it is an interesting biological fact that all of us have in our veins the exact same percentage of salt in our blood that exists in the ocean. And therefore, we have salt in our blood, in our sweat, in our tears. We are tied to the ocean. And when we go back to the sea, whether it is to sail or to watch it, we are going back from whence we came.
Alright guys, we just dropped out of Caxambas. It's like the Caxambas Marina. They've been closed for a while because of the hurricane. We haven't been able to launch out of here, but they just reopened for the summer, which is fantastic. And now we're going to cruise on down past Key Wade and see how far north we can make it. A little bit of training downwind and on a nice broad reach too, but we'll try to get some upwinds, downwinds, a little bit of everything. A little offshore breeze, so we're going to have to stay offshore a little bit today just to make sure that we're getting enough wind to actually sustain us in our speed. There is a little bit of rain coming in today, so I'm a little bit concerned about that. Obviously, we'll keep an eye on it, and if we need to shore and go in, we can, in an emergency sake. But yeah, it's going to be a great day. We caught the tide going out, so it's fairly easy. And I was just looking down, and it's crazy clear today. It's just wonderful. Really shallow right here too, which is so cool with these boats. You can go, you don't have to stay in the channels. You can take it all the way around and hug the shoreline. And it's actually probably a good idea because if anything happens, then you can, signal for help if needed. So it's gonna be a great day. I'm really excited. Wind sustained at about 8 to 10 today, gusting upwards of 11 to 15. So to me, that's perfect. Nice full rig sail, so it should be really nice combination. All right, let's do it. Let's have a great day. Dolphins! Guys, we're down here in Marriott hanging out. Just wanted to come see the action. I've actually passed this place quite a few times, but I've been so far out I haven't been able to see it up close from the beach side. We stayed here once and had the kids here. It's fantastic. They've got the bowling alleys and all kinds of cool stuff inside. 2 different types of pools and slides and all kinds of stuff. So highly recommend it if you're in the area on Marco Island. But you can actually get here by boat too, right? So that's pretty cool. Beautiful day out here. It is incredible. We're gonna have a good time. I was gonna go south and just kind of go around the tip, maybe go down to Key Wade and cruise back, or just keep going and see how far we can go. So I'm always concerned about the storms because there's not a lot of places to hide once you hit the coastline, and it's not the safest thing. So a lot of the storms said they weren't predicted until about 4 or 5 today, and roughly we're at about 11 right now. Plus you got to think about current and things like that going back in, but Just a beautiful day. It's hard to leave. It is so nice. Alright, so I was just digging in the sand. I think I found someone's wedding ring. It's like one of those kinds that like tracks your heart and pulse. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go turn that in. See if someone wants it back. Probably pretty expensive, I would imagine. Hey guys, how's it going? Good. I just found someone's wedding ring down here.
Okay.
It's got one of the electronic sensor things in it. It's got to be somewhat.
I can keep it up here in case somebody comes back for it. But
I would just call the head desk. They're probably going to call them front and ask,
Perfect.
you know.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Yeah.
I'm jealous of the blue jeans that you're wearing, and the way they're holding you so tight. I'm jealous of the moon that keeps on staring. So lock the door and turn out the night. I want you all to myself. We don't need anyone else. Let our bodies do the talking. Let our shadows paint the wall. I want you here in my arms. We'll hide away in the dark. Slip your hand in my back pocket. Go and let your long hair fall. I want you all to myself, to myself. I'm jealous of the song that you've been singing, and the way it's rolling off your lips. It might be selfish, but I'm thinking